Okay, here's one of the first chassis to roll off the line. You can see the back here. This is the back. This is where the RCA jacks go. This is the output, input. This is a vent so that dissipate heat. So I may change that. Steffi didn't really like the design there. I could maybe put slots or make it look more like a grid, something a little more stylish. This is where the plug receptacle goes. This is for the fuse. On this side, this is where the wood sides will bolt to the chassis, and then these two holes are for the 12-volt power supply for the relay. Let's see, on the front here we have, this is the power, this is the indicator light, this is the volume, and then again the mounts for the wood, and then this is for a lug for soldering stuff too, and then on the top is this is the transformer goes here. These are the tubes. These are the three preamp tubes, rectifier, choke, can capacitor, and then the tube select indicators and the select buttons. So pretty excited, making progress.